In Dubai, sustainability is key. Discover how eco-friendly 3D printing is shaping our future. With 3D printing, biodegradable materials are used, reducing plastic waste and promoting a greener environment. From innovative plant pots to sustainable packaging, 3D printing creates functional items with minimal waste. Our process optimizes material use, ensuring every layer counts and every design is eco-conscious. Join robust 3D engineering solutions in pioneering a sustainable future through advanced 3D printing. Discover eco-friendly 3D printing today.